Hello Marble guys, here is Emil or Gravy Scraper. Today we'll unbox the Seilbahn, the Zipline underneath. So in the packaging we have various information about Ravensburger, about the set and what's included, as well as a QR code from Ravensburger. So we've got two white base pieces with double pillars that hold the Zipline. As well as this green gondola which holds the marble. We also get two green clips, those attached to the two Zipline bars, which can be clipped together. Attach the green clips to the Zipline bars. Attach the white double bars on the white base piece in the hole. Attach the metal ball onto the gondola. Put a small gear into the bar of the gondola. Add the gondola to the bar. Lay the bar on the two pillars. Add 4 height tiles difference. Let's compare the two ziplines to each other. The older zipline doesn't work at a height difference of 4 height tiles. Let's add a height tile on each pillar of the older zipline. As you can see, it works now. In conclusion, the newer zipline adds more reliability to the piece we all love. It adds a nice eye catch to your track, and the price of €30.99 is okay.